Hey guys, I usually don't do videos on the day that I do live streams, especially computer build live streams, but I wanted to go through and just talk about, as I said, make sure you're aware that we are doing a live stream today. It'll be 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern time, and it will be this lovely computer build that I've been working on getting ready for. I've got a lot of videos that will be coming after this. Kind of talking about a lot of these parts and reviewing them, and then as always the live stream, and then I'll make a video subsequently, and then we'll of course have the showcase video and stuff of this really nice computer. So as I said, this is going to be one of the few builds that I'm doing as like part of the company now, building computers. So if you're interested in having that done, let me know. There's a link in the description. If not, stick around Friday. It'll be a nice little fun experience, and it will just probably have some music going. It'll be pretty laid back and chill, and I'll just build a computer on live stream. It's always usually fun when we get some people in there and we can talk. So yeah, it'll be pretty interesting, so I definitely recommend tuning in 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern time, and that's when I plan to kind of get things on the road. It should be relatively only take about an hour maybe, so if you want to stay around or stick around for part of it, that's fine. But I just want to kind of make this video today just so that everyone's aware that, you know, I usually, as I said, don't do videos on the days I do live streams, and so that's kind of why there's not going to be a official video today. Rather, I'll just be doing a live stream that will be published as well. And then tomorrow I should have a video of the kind of overview done relatively soon as well. So thank you very much for watching. As I said, apologize for a short video, but I think it's kind of necessary to say, hey, you know, you guys should check it out. I've had it up for a bit, so if you're interested, make sure, of course, tune in. And as always, thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.